Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The Project Schedule Worksheet is an early phase tool that you can use as you're defining your project. It allows you to essentially brainstorm all the different tasks in your project, potentially categorize them into different phases. So if you're working in Six Sigma, for example, you might use the DMAIC phased model, or you can just use your own phases if you're using a phased approach like a phases and gates model as well. But regardless, you can essentially list off all of the different tasks, look at when you would want to have them completed, and then use the phase categorization to potentially sequence them. That will allow you to understand which tasks come first, which come next, and then plot out your overall project schedule. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.